Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Thursday, September 18th. Here are today's top headlines. Uber Technologies is partnering with Flytrex to launch autonomous drone deliveries for Uber Eats in the U.S. by year-end, integrating Flytrex's FAA-certified drones and 200,000 delivery track record with Uber's global logistics platform. The deal aims to cut delivery times, costs, and emissions while expanding its multimodal network beyond cars, bikes, and sidewalk robots. IonQ has signed a memorandum of understanding with the U.S. Department of Energy to support the department's quantum and space initiative and demonstrate quantum ground-to-orbit communications. The collaboration will explore quantum-secure networking, satellite-based sensing, navigation, timing, and future in-orbit quantum computing applications. Lyft and Waymo will launch a fully autonomous ride-hailing service in Nashville in 2026, with rides available first through the Waymo app and later integrated into Lyft's network. Lyft's FlexDrive unit will handle end-to-end fleet management, including a new AV facility to maximize vehicle uptime and provide a seamless experience for riders on both platforms. Ballard Power Systems will debut its FC Move SC fuel cell module in October, offering 30% more end-of-life power, higher power density, and improved durability for city buses. The 75-kilowatt system simplifies vehicle integration, cuts lifecycle costs, and is designed for a 25,000-hour service life to rival diesel performance.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.